in Winnipeg. Hannah's right here, I think. Is that you, Hannah? There's Hannah. There we go. There is the house. First time being shot on video. To give you an idea, we're going to give you a tour of the house. It is the end of August, middle August. About to go to the lake for 2 weeks. Alex is here from Vancouver. And we're going to show him the house. Here we go. Who's that in the tractor? Marina, is that you? Yeah. Is that Hannah? Ooh, you're in a... Oh, hey! You're in a Mighty Machine! That's so funny. Ding, ding, ding. How do you like it up there? Fun? Okay, you want to come down? Any comments about the house? That tractor's locked.
We can go on that tractor next week, okay, Marina?
Wow. This is how the photojournalists shoot.
So then, this tractor comes up to about here. And then this is the walkway. Okay, don't run, go walk. This is keeping this the rest of our bases that came up to that.
Thank you.
So what we're going to do now, Alex, is we're going to put stone around that floor section over there. Stone columns on the corner with these big, we asked for big stone pots.
So which one is the Romeo, which one is the Juliet balcony?
That's Romeo, and this is Juliet, because this is mine, and that's Keith.
So kiddo. Making me dizzy, Hannah. Woo! What's your idea? That is a great idea. How about Daddy push you?
I could do it. Okay, you.
Okay, Hannah.
Do that.
Do we have any grapes in on our grape ivy?
Hannah's gonna do it.
It's right there.
Oh, is there some grapes?
We are.
I saw.
Backyard of the new house.
Or the old one?
The old house. We moved in last week.
It's so hard.
No, that's when you watch this movie will have been in. Getting up to the lake. Okay, let's go inside.
Let's go inside, girls. Let's show Alex your bedroom.
Come on, gotta show the pink bedroom, guys. Okay, now we're entering the living room.
No, the dining room.
Sorry, now the new dining room.
It's the new dining room.
Kitchen.
So we took out the old fireplace because the chimney went right through our master bedroom. So we put in a gas fireplace here. It will have the old mantle goes back on.
Yeah.
And the mantle went to the shop. And then we couldn't get one of the see-through that was cool. So this is our living room.
Describe the art wall here.
Oh, there's well, this is all Keith's albums. This whole wall is albums. Except he has a computer.
So let's show it.
Albums, please.
Millwork, beautiful millwork item. And over here, this entire wall is built out 4 inches. And I think it stops about a foot from the window, a foot from the wall. It has lighting around the top and the sides. And it has little silver grommets you can screw into every foot. So you can change your pictures, put shelves in it.
So it's a floating wall.
You could climb.
It's not this wall.
Yes, yeah, so it's in front of that wall. We've had 2 wrong shipments so far, but it's a limestone that's going, travertine that's going in the whole center space here.
And talk about the flat screen.
And then there's a big flat screen there with a stainless back. The stainless back is